This is a 2011 528i, which is similar to the some other years. In this video, we're going to show you how to remove the monitor. This car does not have the navigation. That's why the monitor is 7 inches smaller. The one with the navigation has a 10-inch screen, but the procedure is the same for with navigation or without navigation. The tools that you need is just this Torx size T20, and then this blue dashboard removal tool. The first step, you need to pop this panel for the AC vent. It doesn't have any screws, it just pops out. By the way, we already made everything loose, so this is just for the demo. And once you get it out, you do not need to disconnect it. You can just leave it hanging on the bottom. And then there are two mounting screws for the monitor, size Torx size T20. Once you get these two screws out, and then you can slide down the monitor and then remove it. These are the two clips which holds it up, and these are the two connectors. And to get this data connector for the display, just push the clip in and then just put it backward. And the same thing for the power plug has two clips, one on each side. And if you need any repair for the display monitor, you can send it to iTech Electronic Services in Van Nuys, California, 818-785-8085.